Hey everyone, my name is Jessie. Welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited to be back with a recipe for you guys. Because if you saw my last video, then you know that we were currently under construction, but this is what our new kitchen looks like. We painted our cabinets, we got new backsplash, we got new countertops, and we painted the bottom drawers, and we also got new lighting, and I absolutely love how everything came out, and it just made me so much more excited to be cooking and baking for you guys again and pumping out new videos. And I just cannot wait to be making more videos in the renovated kitchen. It just makes me so excited. But we are officially now in the springtime, and I don't know about you, but I love me some coconut, whether it be some coconut cream pie, some coconut shrimp, or a pina colada, if you will. But I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious coconut chicken tenders, and this is kind of on the healthy side because we are not going to be deep frying it. We are actually going to be baking them in the oven, which is going to make it a little bit healthier but still just as delicious. And I'm going to show you how to make them. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is do our dredge station, and so we have some flour, some eggs with milk, and then some panko breadcrumbs with some coconut shavings. And so in our flour bowl, we are going to do some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and then we're going to do a little bit of pepper. And to spice it up, a little bit of paprika. Just a little bit, just to give it a little kick. And we're just going to give that a good mix so it's nice, well, and blended together. Okay, and in the middle mixture we have eggs with a splash of milk, and I'm just seasoning that with the simple basic salt and pepper. And just give that a good whisk. Okay, and then in the final bowl we have panko breadcrumbs and some coconut shavings, and I'm seasoning that with some pepper, some salt, and a little bit more of the paprika. And just give that a good mix. And I'm using my hands, but they're clean, so oh well. Alright, and so now we are going to season the chicken tenders themselves, and we're just doing the simple basic salt and pepper. And don't worry, I'm just doing a little salt in each station because you want to flavor your chicken tenders throughout this entire dredging process. And then we're going to flip it over and do the same to the other side of the chicken. And now we are going to start our dredge. So I'm putting that in the flour, make sure it's nice and coated, and then putting that in the egg mixture. Make sure all of it's coated, and then now I'm putting it in the panko coconut mixture. Making sure, again, it's all coated, and as you can tell, I'm kind of pressing the breadcrumbs into the actual chicken tender just so it can be nice and sticking to the actual tender so it doesn't fall off when we cook it. Just press that into the meat. Okay, and now I'm going to put this on a baking sheet with the wire rack. And I'm just going to start doing that to all of my chicken tenders. Okay, and so I covered all my chicken tenders. We're going to put it in a 375-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and there you have it. And I'm serving this with some ketchup. You can do honey mustard, or you can serve them with some like fries or onion rings, however you prefer. And there you have it, some delicious coconut chicken tenders. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I, as always, enjoyed making it for you. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. But until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye.